The Hermès H08 has always been a symbol of effortless design, where luxury meets modern minimalism. But in 2025, Hermès takes it up a notch with a burst of bold personality. Meet the Hermès H08 Chronograph in Naples yellow, the latest expression of sporty elegance, precision, and unmistakable Hermès style. Originally launched in 2021, the H08 collection redefined what a contemporary sports watch could look like: clean, confident, and beautifully proportioned. This new Naples yellow edition doesn't reinvent the wheel. It sharpens the character. The 41mm cushion-shaped case still carries that signature circle within a square design, made from a lightweight carbon fiber composite infused with graphene powder. It's ultra-tough, feather-light, and softly textured, proof that materials can feel as refined as they are resilient. A titanium bezel with satin and mirror-polished finishes frames a sleek blackened dial. The yellow highlights on the chronograph hands, sub-dials, and outer ring inject energy and contrast, giving the H08 a fresh, sporty cadence. The single-pusher chronograph keeps things clean: start, stop, and reset, with one elegant control built into the black DLC crown. Inside beats the Hermès caliber H1837, developed with Vacher Manufacture Fleurier, operating at 28,800 vibrations per hour with a 46-hour power reserve. Through the sapphire back, you'll spot the signature H rotor, subtle, precise, and distinctly Hermès. And yes, it's still water-resistant to 100 meters, paired with a vibrant Naples yellow rubber strap and folding DLC clasp. At €12,000, the Hermès H08 Chronograph Naples yellow proves that luxury can be modern, bold, and wearable every day. It's more than a color update. It's a reminder that true style is in the details. Hermès H08 Chronograph, clarity, confidence, and character, now in Naples yellow.